Hello, welcome back to Family Investment. And this video today is unscripted, raw, and unedited, just out for you. I think it's really important to speak about this topic now. And this topic is about AMD, Nvidia hitting all-time high. What do we do next? Okay, so all of us here is either thinking, do we hold or do we sell? It's really just two action, yeah? So I think it's pretty important to talk about actions rather than do nothing. When I say do nothing, it's making no decision going forward. But before I begin going to the detail, I just want to put two things planted in your head. First, what goes up will come down, regardless of what stock the best. If it goes up, it will come down. It could be a brief moment, it will come deep before a rebound. But that is what happens on the market. And second, AI is here to stay. It's been proven. The demand is there. The capital expenditure by companies around the world, China, India, Australia, Europe, EU, every tech companies, they're spending deep money on Nvidia, AMD, AI chip. It's actually a more advanced computing chip collectively together to do large language model processing, machine learning, and the way forward has been proven. Even Elon Musk himself says that if Jensen Huang and Nvidia give him every single chip, it will only be a fraction of the power he needs for his AI and his dojo self-driving cars. It goes to show that today and the next 3 to 4 years, there's not enough. At some point in time, it plateau, but not this year. Okay? So, going forward, the balance and the action as I gone back. It's two things, yeah? To take profit now or to hold. That's the question that you need to ask yourself. If you're thinking, I'm not doing anything, I don't know, that's completely wrong. You have to make a decision because what goes on forward is important. We're hitting all-time high, okay? Now, all the ratings, we're coming close to the analyst rating. So, if you're here thinking, I'm going to take profit. I've seen it through the last few years. I don't take profit at the peak, I fall. Then you need to think, take profit. Why? You need to ask yourself the question, why are you taking profit now? It's because it's a short-term trade. Is it your time horizon is smaller? Or because you need cash in your portfolio, you've gone all out. You need some cash, 10-20% to keep the mental health healthy. The emotion, that's what we need, yeah? Investor traders, we need emotion. We can't be looking at our phone every single day. We've got bills to pay, we've got kids to take care of, we've got driving, we've got our own job. So if that 10-20% cash holding there keeps you sane, you have to do it. Take some profit. And the game plan is important. That's why I'm here talking to you. It affects me. It affects everybody. The game plan is important. But your game plan is you deciding. Don't let anybody influence my video. But it's you sit down writing saying, today all-time high. Should I take profit? Why? What's my time horizon? If I take profit, it goes up higher and I got cash, will I buy in? That's a plan that you need to consider. You need to start writing it all down and think. Technical analysis, no technical, fundamental, that's where you need to go, okay? If you're the guys that are holding, saying, Alex, I'm confident, I'm holding, I believe, the technical trends, everything's go, hold, okay? But hold, you have to do two things in my opinion. First is your DCA, the dollar cost averaging. The reason why you hold is because you believe this stock will go further, but what you're holding now is still not enough, yeah? It's not enough, okay? You need to think about dollar cost averaging. Maybe every month I'm going to put so much, I'm not going to care about it. Again, systematic. You don't have the time to watch the stocks every day. You need to keep yourself emotionally in control. So dollar cost averaging. And number two, if you want to hold, you have to commit, okay? You have to commit. Why? What if the stocks drop 40%? Look at the Tesla shareholders. It dropped so hard, 40-50%. What are you going to do? You commit. You have to commit. You have to dollar cost average. You don't get shaken out. But to do that, you have to marry yourself with that fundamentals, with that stock. It's really, really important. About profit or hold, you make your decision. So where are we now? Crystal ball, Alex, AMD, Nvidia. It doesn't matter. TSMC, AVGO, all the AI stocks. Where is it going to go? At the moment, we're all waiting for the earnings, okay? As the data suggests, I have no crystal ball, but I have data. Data in future forecast earning. I have data about how much chips will be required. The demand is there. As it stands, the demand is there. The chip is under supply. So it's good. The data that we need to keep up hold of the pricing is all about the earnings. Earnings are coming up. The earnings are forecast to 25, 26. That's why they are riding so hard, so high. They're keeping up with the demand. The demand is going even faster. As long as the company's EPS earning ratio are hitting the target or better, we are good. But remember, if they do miss and there's a decline in growth, they will fall very, very hard, as we've seen with Tesla. They've reduced their share, they reduced the car price, and it's gone hit very, very hard. So we need to keep our eyes on nothing else but the data on the earnings to understand demand is high and we're keeping up, and if the demand grows, great. We have to keep up. But we have to keep up, and also TSMC supplying whatever vendors we have to supply. Competition will be coming in hard. Look at super microcomputer. Competition's coming in. The industry is going. So it's all great news. But we have to make a sane decision. Just to close off, I also want to say that investing, it's all about systematic, yeah? Okay? Dollar cost averaging, cashing up is important, and also diversification. Okay? Sometimes, yes, we hit hard. We all 100%. Sometimes you have to diversify. 10, 20% cash. 10, 20% a bit of different risk. A bit of Uber, a bit higher risk. A bit of defensive as well. So something that you need to think about going forward. But all great news. AMD, Nvidia. I'm very happy that I've shared AMD, Nvidia since the day of my journey. I'm really happy, proud that it's happening. And I hope that everybody can walk this journey with me as well and discuss even further. So thank you very much. Great time. Anything else, go to my website, buytrigger.io. I share free buy trigger information out there on my free time in the car. And also my blog that I produce when I cannot produce videos, but the blog will be out, which is family.investments. Again, it's free. I want to keep as many things free as possible. I don't want to charge anybody. And also Substack. If you like me writing a weekly newsletter, Substack is the place that I go. So link below, Father 3 Jobs, Substack. That's what I do. So thank you guys. Thank you for all the supporting all this time, and enjoy the all-time high. But do have a game plan. Take care. Goodbye. Have a good day.